We've just acquired this lovely, it's the Astra 1.4 SRI GTC, but with the lovely exterior pack extras like the upgraded alloy wheels. It's got the rear privacy glass, it's got the upgraded bigger spoiler, it's got park distance control at the rear. Just an absolutely gleaming black. It looks in lovely condition. Boot area's superb. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, half leather interior. Six-speed gearbox, air conditioning, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Start it up. It's on 62,246 miles. At DJ's, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.